Preheat your oven to 350 degree and then prepare the flax eggs with 2 tablespoons ground flax seeds and 4 tablespoons warm water and soak for about 10 minutes and then set aside. In a bowl, sift together the whole wheat flour, cacao powder, pure cane sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and mix it well. In a measuring cups, mix together the coconut oil, almond milk, flax eggs, and vanilla extract. And make sure you mix it well. And then add it to the dry ingredients and mix together. While the batter is set, crush a 12 to 16 pieces of Oreo cookies in a plastic Ziploc bag and then transfer it into a bowl and then spray with all the tray baked tin and then pour the butter into the baking tray. Then add the broken Oreo pieces all over the top and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Once you have cooked the brownies, let it cool and enjoy your brownies. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.